All right, let's take a quick look at some manual sorting options that you have within Excel. So again, we're assuming that we have a file that we've pulled from something else. And within this file, we know that we do have a header row here at the top in row 1. And we know that all of this data in each row needs to stay together. So it's important if I'm going to manually sort to make sure that I have highlighted the selection that I need. I have two options to highlight this text. I can hit the little box where the columns and the rows come together, and it will instantly highlight all of the content on my spreadsheet. So that's one option I have. The other one is I can always left click and hold and drag out the content that I want. Either way, the sorting will work. Now I'm going to come up here to sort and filter in the upper right hand corner, and I'm going to choose custom sort. At this point now, it gives me a dialog box that lets me change out how it is that I want to sort my information. Because I do have a header row, I want to make sure that I have this checkbox marked so that it deselects that from my information and it doesn't mix that into the sort. And I'm going to sort mine first by last name. So I click the drop down box and I say last name. And then I'm going to add another layer just in case I might have two people with the same last name. And I'm going to say that I want to, after I sort it by last name, then sort it by first name. So the way mine is set up, it's going to sort alphabetically A to Z, the last names. And then if I had two Smiths, maybe I had a Bob Smith and a Jennifer Smith, then Bob Smith would come first because it's going to then sort by the first name, and obviously B comes before J. So after I do that, I say OK. And now you can see here that my text is all sorted by the last name. And if I would have had any, well, actually, I do have two last names here that are the same. So for Jones, J comes before M, so John is listed before May. So my sorting was done correctly, just the way I needed it. So that's one quick way that you can sort content on a spreadsheet. Hope this helps.